Yeah, look what I'm looking at. This is what's gonna be your new 4-door affordable car. No longer will you be able to get a 4-door sedan that's affordable. No more SXTs, no more GTs. You're getting Hornet GTs and RTs. They're gonna be your 4-door cars. Let's have a conversation. Well, as you can see, the Dodge Hornet is gonna be your new affordable car. These gonna range from $30,000 all the way up to $50,000. Yeah, I said $50,000. I don't know who had Brox in their brain or whoever made that decision, but yeah, they want $50,000 for some of these cars. This particular one right here is $37,000 MSRP. It's a Dodge Hornet GT all-wheel drive. Let's look inside of this bad boy, because I want you to see what you're gonna get over your GTs and SXTs. Does look good inside here. We can't lie. It actually looks better inside of this car than it does in a GT or an SXT. You even get a nice little Android looking screen. I don't really like the screen because it looks like a little Android phone, Android pad, but it is what it is. I'm gonna put that right there, and there go the price right there for y'all. Nice flat bottom steering wheel, you know, nice. It's a nice looking car inside. Got the Hornet right there. Nice looking car. But it's not a cool looking car. You get what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna show you what a cool looking car is. Let's walk on over here. This is an SXT. This is the bottom tier of a Charger. A bottom tier 4-door Charger right here, what you can get. Look at this. This is the bottom of the bottom, and it looks great. You ain't gonna sit there and tell me, you can't tell me that this car right here is not a nice looking car. Even though it's the bottom tier Charger. It's at the tippy top bottom. And it looks great. Look at that. You can get it in this little green color. It comes with the nice little 20-inch wheels. Dark color 20-inch wheels. They look like they black or gray. I would go with a grayish color. You get a slime green, booger green color. You ain't got to get the booger green color. $36,000. So this car right here costs exactly what that Dodge Hornet costs right there. Can we get inside this bad boy? Now, like I said, the interior is not as nice as the Hornet, but it's way more spacious. Still got a big screen. This particular SXT got carbon fiber in it. What the heck does a XXT need carbon fiber for? But I guess it's the last call. Somebody wanted carbon fiber in a SXT. You got to be out your mind. But let's get back to the subject. You know, it doesn't look as good as the Hornet, but it's way more spacious, and it's probably gonna get about the same gas mileage, and you're getting the same price, and this car looks much better on the outside. Most people get this Dodge car because they want the looks, and it's gonna be cheap on insurance, as well as gonna be fair on gas mileage. This one right here is gonna be cheap on insurance as well, and it's gonna be fair on gas mileage, but it is not a looker. It's not a good looking car. It's not even, if you really want to look at it, it's way smaller than a Charger, and it's not as roomy. It's not as roomy. You can look in and tell it's definitely not as roomy. And it's like you get less of a car. You get less car. You're gonna get less car when you get one of these Hornets. Look how it's not even spacious in the back of this bad boy. It's cool to fit 2 people. You can fit 5 people in the Charger. You can fit 5 people in an SXT Charger. And if you really want to go crazy with it, you can afford a little bit more money. You can walk on over here right here. You can get yourself a GT. Almost the same price right now. $36,000. That's like that SXT over there was $36,000, as well as that Dodge Hornet over there. All 3 of these cost about the same amount of money. But look what you get inside of this. When you go a little bit, probably a couple $100 more, you get the GT. Look how nice it is. Alcantara leather inside of this bad boy, same size screen as SXT. Looks good. You get the sunroof, looks real good, and you get the same kind of gas mileage, and you get all-wheel drive. I mean, you get 20-inch wheels. I mean, beautiful, beautiful car. Just not fast car, but it's still a beautiful car. So, what I'm saying is, Dodge, they done took away all that affordable stuff, all that being able to choose from an SXT all the way on up to Hellcat. They took that away from you. This is what you get. Hornets. They're going to push these down our throats. This is what they're going to push down your throat. This is what they want you to spend your money on now. They don't want you worrying about no SXT. And I know you thinking, wait, T-Light, you talking all that crap. You talking all that crap Polar. But you're not even talking about the 4-door Charger that's going to come out, or the 2-door Charger. You're right, it is going to be a 2-door and a 4-door Charger. First round's going to be the electric round. And we already know you ain't going to be able to afford that electric round. And I'm not just saying you ain't going to be able to afford that electric Charger. Neither am I. I mean, I'm gonna keep it all the way real. Neither am I. And even if I can afford it, why would I get that? Come on now. It's not faster than the Tesla Model Y. It's not faster than the Tesla Plaid. So why would I get a car that's slower than almost every other electric car on the market? But you talking about it's a muscle car. When have you known a muscle car to be slower than dang near every other electric car in the world? Huh? It don't make no sense, right? But that's what they want you to pay for. On top of that, you know it's gonna be a RT, and it's gonna be a Scat Pack, and it's gonna be a Banshee. You know that RT gonna be at least $55,000, maybe more. It's probably gonna be a little bit more. It might run around about $60,000. And you know the Scat Pack version, that's gonna probably run you about 65 to 75, 65 between 65 and 75. So, and you know the Hellcat version, 100,000, 100,000. So I'm probably gonna go out on a limb and say the Scat Pack version probably gonna run you 70,000 plus, easy, 70 to 80,000, maybe 80,000. Can you afford that? And you already know Dodge gonna mark it up. Dodge dealership's gonna mark it up. Not every Dodge dealership. Some Dodge dealerships are nice Dodge dealerships. I know when I'm at a particular one, it's a cool Dodge dealership. But expect markup from every Dodge dealership. This one probably gonna mark it up a little bit, 10,000, 15,000. You never know. They gonna try you at first. You know they gonna try you. They got to try the doofus magoofus that's gonna come in there and pay for it. You gotta try it. You gotta see if you can get some doofuses to come in and pay for it. You know, somebody that's got not no brain. They ain't got no brain inside their head. They got about 5 rocks rolling around in their head. Like, yeah, I'm going to get that, and I'm going to pay that extra money for it. They're going to pay that extra money for it. Hell, they probably going to get their girlfriend one of these. Yeah. They're going to like, yeah, I got that electric charger with the Frenzonic sound. Ooh, wee. Slower than every other electric car on the market. But you're going to look faster than every other car, but you're going to be definitely slower. Definitely slower. So don't worry about getting no affordable 4-door sedan that's nice. This is what you're getting. You're gonna get an Alfa Morel rebadged car. Yeah, that's what you're getting. 4-door trash. 4-door trash. I know you're like, what T, like, why you always talk? Why you down in the Dodge Hornet? I mean, I want to get one. Well, get you one then, super duper. Get you one, baby. Don't let me talk you out of it. I'm just trying to tell you. You $36,000 for this, or you gonna pay $36,000 for that or that? Which one is the better deal? Come on, a bigger car, probably faster car. Probably not faster. I went too far when I said faster. They probably about the same speed. I went too far. I went too far. But same gas, probably about the same gas mileage. Matter of fact, we can go see what the gas mileage. Let's see what the gas mileage is on an SXT. While we still here before we end this video, let's see what the gas mileage is on an SXT. It says 21 combined, so 18 city, 27 highway, 21 miles combined. Let's take ourselves over here. Let's skip Smurf time and see what the gas mileage is on a Dodge Hornet. Let's see. Oh wow, look, 24 miles to the gallon. That's 3 more miles to the gallon combined. City is gonna be 3 more miles, as well as highway, 3 more miles. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? A car this size, this little crossover car, should easily be getting 30 miles to the gallon. Easily should be getting 30 miles to the gallon. So you tell me, why is this car getting horrible gas mileage for its size? So you really ain't saving no money like that. 3 miles to the gallon, that ain't a lot. That ain't a big enough, that's not a big enough jump to justify buying this car over that car. It's just not a big enough jump. So what I'm telling y'all is, there is gonna be no more SXTs and GTs. Get your SXT or your GT now, or you're gonna be stuck with one of these. You're gonna be stuck with one of these, and you're gonna be in my comments saying, man, I shouldn't have bought that damn car. T, like you told me don't buy this car. You told me, yeah, you're gonna be stuck with it. You're gonna be stuck like Chuck. So leave in the comments, let me know if you feel like Dodge is just ruining everything. They're ruining everything. Just let me know how you feel, and I'm gonna slide on up out of here while I'm sitting in this Hornet trying to gather myself. Why it sucked the life out of me. I'm out of here, man. Y'all stay up. Peace.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's